Alright people, time to create the rear part of the wide body for the back part of the car. So alright people, time to mock up or do whatever I can to create the wide body for the rear part of the car. So let's get to it. There's some guys in where is it at? I think they're in the Philippines, and I've seen them do a EG coupe, not EG coupe, a EG sedan. They did a wide body on it, but I couldn't get to see good pictures of it, so to mock up some stuff. But I seen enough where I wanna get some ideas from it. So on the Civic, it was like it started like a foot away. So I'm gonna start right here and then go up. Start right here and then slightly and then go that side and follow it. So let's mock up something. Gonna be using some of this construction paper I picked up from Lowe's. Alright, so instead of doing a foot, I did 10 inches. So let's work with that. Alright guys, battery had died and I wanted to make the most of the daylight, so I didn't even go get a battery, so I just finished up. But this is where I'm at. So that's that slant up we're gonna work with. See, and all my measurements are the same from the top all the way up. Same measurements, so we're good at that point. First step is complete. Now next step is to make that slant side go up now. So I'm trying to find an acceptable enough angle, because based on the body kits I'm looking at, even though this is an arch, if you can look long enough at it, you can begin to start seeing kind of a straight line, or where a straight line would appear, and then that's how they mock up to get this line over here at that angle, whatever angle that is. I don't know, I just eyed it up wherever the straight line would be, like a tangent, you know, from geometry, from you guys in Jamaica know, from technical drawing class and shit, from TD class and shit. Yeah. So yeah, everything's that tangent line, then I use it to just make it parallel and find that one right there, and then we're good. So next step is to cut out right here so we can mark that up. Alright man, see you man. Have a good one.
You too.
So here's the EG coupe that I've seen. I mean the EG sedan that I've seen. Where's the other picture? Yeah, there's the other picture. But yeah, let me show you guys the civic that I'm going for. So this is how we're gonna do it. Like how this EG hatchback is. So looking at that, that's a gentle angle, very gentle, like a oval, kind of like an oval shape. So let's mark that up over there. So see how the shape of this goes in the arch. That's what we're gonna do over that side. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, so next quick update. So see right here, the distance between this arch and the door handle, even though I know that the EG sedan and the B14 is definitely in no way close to dimensions, but I'm just eyeing it to get my idea. But anyways, this looks like about, from right here to right here, looks about 2 inches, about 1.5, and this is where I marked out my lock. So I'd say, then here's that dip part, that little handle part right here. So 2 inches down from here, and then that's where the arch is. But to me, I feel like that's ugly, man. I feel like from here to here, because I want my body kit to start at the top of my light, but maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just start it right here. Start it where they started it at, because they started it down here instead of up there. Because it'll look stupid if it goes into the door lock, because doing it up here, it goes into the door lock, and if you want to do it up here and bring it down here, it's too aggressive of an angle. It looks stupid. So I'm gonna just go with them and just stick to down here so we can keep it looking uniform and neat. So let's finish that up so we can get inside, because it's getting dark out. What time is it? Will it even focus? Well, that's at 5:30. I'm pleased with this, guys. If you ask me, I am pleased with that for sure. Definitely looks better. See what I mean? So you see that angle, it doesn't look, that angle doesn't look that stupid now that it's down more to the bottom of the corner of the light. as opposed to if it was up here. If it was up here, it would have looked way stupid, because that's where we have to meet it at. Because the aim is we're not trying to get the body kit into, you know, it's not supposed to cover here. So if I had ran that up there, the only way to get it looking good would be to cover this. So that's why I was like, we need to fix that. So everything's looking good now, if you ask me. All the mock-ups looking good. Right about time, because street lights are on, everything. But yeah, that looks really good. I'm really pleased with that. So I guess it's time to take this back off now, gently, so we can preserve our tape and our measurements and stuff, so we can lay this out on a piece of cardboard and then start using some of that spray foam, that bug filler, the bug crack filler thing. Then we're gonna spray some foam and then mold our own wide body kit. This section of the wide body will have the screws in it, but the front won't. The front will be like you bought some fenders and they come like that, but the back will be like how a wide body looks, with the screws, with the additions in it. Alright, so that's it. I'm about to go inside right now and go make some dinner, so see y'all. Peace.